with another set of songs for you guys. But I have one more song left, and it is an original song called Let's Go, written by my auntie Diane Allman. This is my finale, and I would love for all of you guys to get up and dance with me if you would like to.
I'm ready. Let me shake this. Hold on. Get started. Hold on. Okay, I already cracked.
Clap your hands.
Don't stop. Turn it up. Turn it up. Don't stop.
You guys ready to turn up?
Turn it up. Turn it up. Don't stop. Turn it up. Don't stop.
What I want when your body hear this melody is for you to stop waiting and get on your feet. When you do, you can't hold back. No, don't be ashamed to let go. Give it your all and bring your A game. Watch and see how much fun it is when you let go. Don't be shy. I wanna see you on the dance floor. Take control of this moment. It'll be fine like a star. Just find you a spot and you will shine.
Let's go. Get your dance on.
Feel the beat.
Clap your hands. Let the music make you
Move your feet.
Feel the rhythm 'cause it's electric.
I wanna know.
Let's go. Come on.
Ooh, ooh,
Let's go. Come on.
oh, oh.
Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
I like when the music makes me feel this way. Bad days somehow always seem to fade away. Why don't you give it a try? Go on and break, breathe in. You can feel me and see what I see. It's alright. Go ahead and do what you gon' do. Just relax. Let the music put you in the mood.
This is how party music always should be.
Open the door. Everybody come on, dance with me.
Let's go. Get your dance on.
Feel the beat.
Clap your hands. Let the music make you move your feet. Feel the rhythm 'cause it's electric. I wanna know. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
You came to party when you show you how to spread the love.
Yeah, we turn it up.
We turn it up and we let the rhythm do what it's supposed to do.
Let's go. Come on.
Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I'll be back later, but here comes Rocco with another set of music.